What's going on, friends? If you're new to the channel, my name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. That means I go to places like garage sales and thrift stores to find stuff to flip and sell it for higher price online. Places like eBay and Mercari. Today I've got some special guests with me because I've never really thought about what do my kids know about reselling and what I do. So I asked them a few questions and here's the answers. Alright, so tell everybody your first name and how old you are.
Sloan, and I'm 11 years old. My name is Blythe. I'm 7 years old.
And do you know what I do for a living? How I make money?
Yes.
What do I do?
You buy stuff and sell it for a higher price.
And what's that called?
Reselling?
Close enough.
Reselling.
Very good. And what does that mean?
Do stuff online?
Like what?
Well, you sell stuff to people.
And where do I get stuff from?
Thrift stores and garage sales. Yard sales.
Where else?
Thrift stores.
Do you like going to thrift stores?
No. It smells bad. They're so messy. They don't smell good. There's nothing to do there. Just walk.
And do you like going to yard sales?
No. Yes.
Why not?
Sometimes there's weird people.
There's weird people at garage sales? Why do you like going to yard sales?
They're outside and they feel more comfortable. And you don't have to wear a mask sometimes.
What's your most favorite thing that when you did go to a thrift store or yard sale that you got? Skip that one. Okay.
I'd say a toy elephant. I named it. It's a stuffed animal.
What's his name?
Ellie.
What's the coolest thing that you've seen that I've actually sold?
The thing that sold for the highest price. That big Mickey head and the little feet.
An eBay question for you. Which is better, or which do you prefer? Managed payments or PayPal?
PayPal?
Why is that?
Has a cooler name.
Ah.
I have no idea what that means.
Now, when I'm selling stuff on eBay, should I do free shipping, calculated shipping, or flat rate shipping?
Calculated shipping.
And why is that?
Because I want to make the moolah. I don't know shipping. I don't know.
What's the best way to clean shoes to sell online?
With water and a cloth? Wash them.
How? While they're on your feet?
No. Yeah, no. You grab them.
And wash them with what?
Sponge.
I had this pair of shoes. If you were going to sell those on eBay, how much would you list them for? Or first of all, can you tell me what brand they are?
Hoka?
Very good. Now, if you were going to list those on eBay, how much would you list them for?
$20?
Do you know what brand of shoes those are?
No.
Those are Hokas. And how much would you sell those for on eBay?
$10?
$10? Okay. Now how about this thing? You know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It opens cans.
Can opener, right. Now how much would you list that for on eBay? That's a Black & Decker Space Maker can opener.
$54.
$54? Okay. Do you know what that is?
Pencil sharpener?
Nope. That's a Black & Decker Space Maker can opener. How much would you sell that for online?
Maybe $20.
$20? Okay. How do you feel, since I've just started this YouTube thing, how do you feel about being in my videos?
Like I'm a celebrity. It's really nice and fun.
Nice and fun? Why?
Because it's really fun that you get to work with your sister and I get to see your videos.
Nice.
And it's really cool.
Alright, so we watch a lot of reselling YouTubers in this house, don't we? Who's your favorite?
Harry Tornado.
Okay, and why is that?
Because he makes it interesting. Harry Tornado.
Oh yeah? And why is that?
Because my dad knows him.
We watch a lot of reseller YouTubers in this household, don't we? Yeah, so you've heard some theme songs from different ones. Can you sing one for me?
Gotta be the first one there, not the last one. Gotta be the first one there. Gotta be the first one there, not the last one there. Gotta be the first one there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.
Gotta be the first one there, not the last one there. Gotta be the first one there.